This BMW sat unused for years. The engine won't start and we have no idea if the car still works. The big problem, the engine might be ruined, the paint destroyed, and on the inside the car has become a biological weapon from how filthy it is. By the end of this video, we'll find out if this BMW still works and bring joy back to its owner, or if we'll completely fail. The owner of this BMW went through a very serious health issue and spent years without even looking at his own car. One of his friends, who is a subscriber of this channel, asked for our help, and I couldn't ignore that request. We're going to restore the BMW without charging a single cent. On the contrary, I'll put money from my own pocket into this project because I believe this car can help improve someone's life. And this car is special because it's a BMW 318S coupe from the E36 series, still with a manual transmission, and that gives the car a special charm. The first challenge is huge, to find out what's left of the paint under all this nasty crust, hardened by years under trees and baking in the sun. If the paint doesn't hold up, there's no going back. And I'll warn you, if we need to repaint, the cost could ruin the entire project. The situation is much worse than I imagined, but now there's no turning back. The side is destroyed and we'll have to do a full preparation to repaint the car. And the big problem is, if the car doesn't run, will the repaint be worth it? The color of this BMW is one of the trickiest, silver. If you miss the shade, the car will never shine the same again. I went looking for a place that could prepare the exact paint because we can't take risks. Nothing can go wrong in the painting stage. Meanwhile, the team started cleaning the engine. The owner said the car stopped while still running, and if that's true, this engine could run again. If it starts, we save not only the car but also the story it carries. If it doesn't, it could be the end of the owner's dream of seeing the car run again. Did you like the engine cleaning result? Then drop a like on the video, because from now on things get tough. Before applying directly to the car, our painter will test the paint on small parts. It's the trial by fire. If the shade isn't identical, the whole project could fall apart. And it looks like we nailed it. The paint matched exactly with the car's original color. That's a good sign for the project. Before painting, we dismantled the entire interior for a deep cleaning. The smell was unbearable, so much mold had built up. Now the most awaited moment has arrived, the painting. And tell me something, have you ever owned a BMW like this or know someone who does? Share your story below because I know many people love this type of car. Now it's the moment of truth. Will this paint shine again? I confess, I'm anxious to see the owner's reaction when the car is finished. The most important moment has arrived. The owner is on the way and I'm really nervous. I put everything I had into this car, and if the owner doesn't like it, it's going to be hard for me too.
Uau, você é louco, cara! Que é isso, mano? É outra BMW, meu irmão.
This was the result of all our dedication. We did it without charging a cent, just to help. And I hope this made a difference in his life. The engine went through a full inspection, and guess what? It's running perfectly. This BMW arrived here on a tow truck, but it's leaving driving in the hands of its owner. And I want to know from you, what's your rating from 0 to 10 for this transformation? And if you want to see more projects like this, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and follow along. Because every Saturday there's a new project here on our channel.